Stars on Facebook are a unique way for creators to connect with their audience and earn real money while doing what they love. Imagine you're watching your favorite live streamer or catching an engaging video on Facebook. If you want to show your appreciation or support, you can purchase stars and send them directly to creators during a live stream or on their content. Each star you send translates directly into financial support for the creator, turning your digital applause into real-world impact. For creators, stars are much more than just a virtual badge. They represent recognition, encouragement, and the ability to turn their passion into a profession. When a viewer sends stars, creators receive notifications in real time, celebrating every moment of engagement with their audience. This makes live streams more interactive and rewarding for both sides. Plus, Facebook highlights top supporters, so you can stand out in the community and even earn a shout-out from your favorite creator. Getting started with stars is simple. If you're a fan, you can buy stars through Facebook and send them with just a tap. If you're a creator, you can enable stars on your page and start receiving support from your fans right away. The more stars you earn, the more Facebook pays you. It's a win-win for everyone. Fans get to make their voices heard, and creators get the resources they need to keep making amazing content. At Famety, we understand the power of meaningful engagement. That's why we offer a range of services to help you boost your presence and connect with your audience in authentic ways. Whether you're looking for more engagement, followers, or interactive support like stars, we're here to help you shine on Facebook and every other platform you love.